I have rheumatoid arthritis severely in my ankles. It took away a lot of things that I love to do. I have pet pigs, and all the neighbors know them because I take them for walks. But rheumatoid hindered that, and it also hindered my motorcycle riding, and also my milestones with my children. I couldn't get my rheumatoid under control. And with rheumatoid arthritis pain, I didn't think about an ankle replacement. All I thought about was I wanted an amputation. That's how bad rheumatoid arthritis pain is. My rheumatologist is at Mayo, and she recommended Dr. Haupt. A little bit hesitant, and I'm so glad that I took that leap with Dr. Haupt.
So a case like Darylyn's is very complex. She has issues in multiple different spots of the foot. And so getting an idea of an inventory of everything she has is critical. So that was the first step, and I think we met multiple times to do that. The PSI templating process, I felt very comfortable with what we could do in the ankle and hind foot. And so I knew that was going to give me the confidence to achieve that portion of the operation. I picked the Vantage ankle because I liked a lot of the design features, namely the early fixation with the cage design, which was copied from the shoulder. I thought that was excellent. It's exactly what ankle replacements needed, was excellent bone fixation early on. I also liked the PSI options, and that I was very familiar with the instruments, which were otherwise streamlined, and so it was an easy decision. The experience with 3D Systems is excellent. That was actually one of the best things about the entire system was the planning calls. There's a lot of very nuanced details you get from the planning call, and you can make small adjustments in real time and like watch it change. It's incredible. Long term for her, I mean, you can see now she has no pain, excellent alignment of the foot and ankle, and so this system has definitely contributed to that.
He actually told me I was a challenge for him after surgery. He said that. It's the ankle replacement that I had. I'm very thankful. I'm so blessed that God put Dr. Haupt in my life to do this for me and to be able to walk and ride my motorcycle and spend longer times with my pigs and do more activities and do things with my daughters. So I'm just glad that I'm slowly getting my life back.